High power, kids! Let's learn to draw a colorful house with number cube. Let's draw the cloud first. 1 cloud. 2 clouds. 3 clouds. Next, let's draw a cute and smiley sun. Now, we can draw the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is the house. We also need to draw the roof so that we are protected from the rain. The chimney is also important. Here is the door to get into our house. Next is the window. Let's have 3 windows with 2 rectangle window and 1 circle window. Last but not least, let's draw a rainbow behind the house. Good job, Power Kids! Now that we have drawn the house, let's make it colorful. Orange, blue, yellow, pink, yellow, purple, green, orange, yellow, green, blue, green, yellow sun, blue sky, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Incredible! This is perfect. Subscribe and see you on the next video.